Hello everyone. Many Snapchat users report that they are facing difficulties in sending messages to other accounts. They are getting a failed to send error. If you are getting the failed to send error, then try the fixes mentioned below in this video. One of these fixes will fix your unable to send issue with Snapchat. Method 1. Check your internet connection. First to do is check your internet connection. The problem of Snapchat failed to send maybe is that your internet connection is unstable or the connection is lost. Be reminded that you need a good and fast internet connection. When Snapchat is down, this also suggests that several people will be encountering the related matter. Turn off your Wi-Fi and after a couple of minutes, try connecting your device to Wi-Fi again. If not, you can switch from Wi-Fi to data. Check if there is a progress in data compared to Wi-Fi. Method 2. Log out and sign in Snapchat again. Open on the Snapchat app and then click on the profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner and it will take you to Snapchat settings page. Now scroll down and look for the logout option. Tap on it and when a pop-up shows up asking for confirmation, tap on logout again. After that, sign in Snapchat. Method 3. Clear the cache and data. Open settings on your phone. Tap on apps. Here in the list of applications, look for Snapchat and tap on it. Tap on Force Stop to close the application. Now tap on the storage icon. Then tap on Clear Cache and then Clear Data. Check if the same error shows up again when you try to send a message to that account back. Method 4. Reinstall Snapchat. If Snapchat failed to send, try uninstalling the app and reinstall it later. App updates also bring bugs that cause errors. You can find the uninstall button in the settings, click the application button and search for the Snapchat app and click, the uninstall button will appear. For iOS users, tap and hold the Snapchat icon from your screen and click the X button at the upper left side of the Snapchat icon. Reinstall it by downloading the app from the Google or Apple Store. Updates will be displayed. After uninstalling and reinstalling the app, open your Snapchat app and log in your account. Check if you can now send a message. If not, try another tip. Method 5. Restart device. Restarting your phone or any device will get free of all the glitches that are running on in your app. The system is closed down and restarted over, which suggests that all the problems that are preventing Snapchat from running are going to be cleaned. Restarting is a common troubleshooting action to take because it's fast and it normally fixes the difficulty.